On today's episode of Getting After It, we repair a tire. So the other day I was driving and I felt something. Didn't really know what it was, but the truck was not driving right, wasn't riding right. My butt said no. Got to the grocery store and it was flat. Back to O'Reilly's. Here you go. I've never done this before. Don't know why. Just never needed to. We're gonna do it today. Alright, so let's pull this nail out. Just an old pair of needle nose. Vice grip if you need it. I asked the tire store to patch it, and they said it's too far this way for a patch because the patch is, the patch is flat up on the inside here, and it was too close to the sidewall here. So he said best thing you can do is plug it.
Dad, let's get some more.
Yeehaw! So as your air's escaping, you take the reamer. See, it's got the teeth on it. Stick it in the hole. Clean it out.
Hey, is this
This is just so when the plug slides in, it's smooth and it'll rough the hole up from the nail, so it'll have something to grab onto. So I'm pulling up. Pushing back in just to get it good and clean. You don't really want to, root it around. You just in and out. Simple. After this, I'll get the plug on that tool and get ready to plug it. Alright, so after you run the plug through this tool, it's sticky and it takes a minute. You got to squish one end and then pull it through. So you snatch that out, shove it in, you get it almost all the way into just a little bit is sticking out, and then snatch it out. So I'm gonna try and do that. Okay? See if we can do it one-handed. Watch this. Now, it's only got a little bit left, and you're supposed to snatch it out. No air leaking. You got it. Now, we just take it, make sure there's plenty of air back in it. This is one of those things you just got to be ready for it. It's not easy. You can't do this on the side of the road with the tire still in the car. But it's got to be one of those things where everything's laid out, everything's within reach. So as soon as you pull the thing out, you can shove that thing back in. Because I had to air it back up because there was not enough air in it. I was pushing the tire in, it was caving in on me.